Pennsylvania truck stop walk. Saturday night, 8 o'clock. Everybody's Island.
Yeah.
The hood truck. I can tell you right now, when we used to do these truck stop walks, it was a lot of hood trucks, like that one. Peterbilt 389s. Man, what's wrong with this guy's truck? Got a broken leaf spring or something. Oh, there's a 389. But now you're hard pressed to see any of them. Everybody, all you see is fuel efficient truck after fuel efficient truck. Volvo, the 579 Peterbilts, Volvo Freightliner 579. That's all you see. So I haven't really been doing truck stop walks because there's no really cool trucks to see anymore. Yeah, you're hard pressed to find a hood truck. Well, that guy's doing heavy haul, so he could probably afford the $4 a mile diesel, or 4 miles per gallon diesel. Yeah, this is what you see. Well, this truck stop holds what, 600?
I don't know. It's huge.
It's huge.
It was empty yesterday, and then it filled up a little bit, and then now today it's like.
Oh, look at a puppy.
Aww.
Puppy.
I don't think there's anything but reserve. Even if there might be all taken.
And you'll see when we go back around that instead of paying for reserve, they're making spots, spots, which we're not opposed to. We had to do it a couple weeks ago.
Yeah.
Look at that green Volvo.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Green. You can get ours wrapped. You can wrap it green. Nah, I'd rather spend money on shopping.
Here's a make a spot. Surprised nobody did.
Yeah, they'll be making spots all over. Remember the last?
Here's one right here that can make a spot.
Oh yeah. Remember last time we were in here?
No.
When we came in on July 4th? That was the last time we were here. And it was packed when we got here. And we just got lucky and somebody pulled out on this road. We're coming to walk down and we...
I remember now.
I quick jacked it around and pulled in it.
Yeah, I remember now. Yeah, we got lucky.
Yeah, we got lucky.
Okay, now it's noisy again.
There's a Kenworth. Doing flatbed. Looks like Amazon dumped some trailers here. Oh, a bunch of Amazon back there.
I know.
They must rent a spot from them.
Yeah, it must, because they wouldn't tolerate that. There's a spot. Oh no, I was gonna say here's a spot.
Yeah, so somebody dumped their trailer and went home.
I thought I should just park right here. And they somebody could have had that spot. That guy made a spot.
Yeah.
These guys made spots.
Remember, they were too deep right there. Well, I was thinking, how am I getting out of here?
That's right.
But they all left before we did.
Yeah, that's right. I remember now.
Tomorrow.
That park.
Yeah, the dog park.
Yeah.
Yeah, this place has a nice dog park. There's a Love's next door.
We could just go in there. A little closer.
Both the Loves and the Petros shopping facilities are horrible. So we Ubered downtown Carlisle to the Walmart.
Just get some supplies.
Get some supplies. Half a shopping cart of supplies, $190, almost 200 bucks.
Yeah.
I was like,
It's just so expensive. We didn't really get anything. Just snacks and drinks.
yeah.
All adds up.
I got some lunch meat and
Oh, yeah, that's right. You got lunch meat.
keto bread. I like bread. So even though keto bread isn't 100% keto, better than no bread. And it's better than bread.
And it doesn't taste that bad. I don't like it, but
The what?
I don't like it.
Of course not. I don't really like it either,
Yeah.
but it's better than not having bread.
I'd rather just have bread. I don't eat that much anyway. Anymore.
These are all make-a spots.
Blue eyes.
Oh yeah, look at that. Is that one of them? Is that a Siberian
I
Husky?
think so.
Who's that puppy?
Like a red one or something.
Yep, just one fuel-efficient truck after the next, after the next.
Oh, look how big that park is.
Yeah, the dog walking is inside there.
It's all over there.
That's
yeah,
fenced
you
in.
can go in there and... Nice. Forgot about that, how big it was.
So I've had a lot of people complaining we haven't been doing truck stop walks.
Right.
Haven't done them in a couple of years, actually, right?
I asked you to do it the other...
3 years?
Yeah. Now.
We haven't done a truck stop walk in 3 years. Of course, we haven't been trucking a lot either.
No.
And the rates are horrible. Fuel is nuts. It's up $1 a gallon from 2 months ago.
Yeah, stupid.
But I am taking our new fuel card. Same discount at PA Petro as the NASDAQ card that you have to pay $400 a year for. And we don't have to pay $400 a year.
Right. I know.
So score.
Yeah.
Oh, now we got 3 of them over here in make-a spots.
Yeah. Wonder if somebody else will come along.
I'm sure. So we're parked right over here, next to
Where are we going on?
next to Landstar. Yeah, I'm not gonna walk down the front aisle.
Alright.
It'd be a half-hour, 45-minute video. Now this Landstar guy, I guess, was too lazy to back in when the parking lot was empty.
Yeah.
Now he's not gonna be able to get out.
I mean, I guess it could, but it's going to take a bit of maneuvering.
It's gonna take us a little bit to get out.
Hopefully the guy in front of him, he can even get out.
There's the big guy, looking good.
Dirty.
Dirty.
Be dirty.
So we're gonna leave here, Carlisle, Pennsylvania. We're gonna go to Macon, Georgia. And then from Macon, Georgia, we're gonna go to Colorado. We bit the dangling carrot.
Yep. We did it.
And then even if I got a deadhead in, this was good, really good. So even if I have to deadhead into Wyoming or Kansas, I'm fine. So we're booked up for the next week.
Yeah. Yeah. And then we gotta go home. Get ready for golf tournament.
And play golf.
Practice on our golf.
So that's it. That was a truck stop walk. Like I said, it's kind of boring. It's all Freightliners and Volvos.
I know. There's just not much.
That's all you see.
Yeah.
And 579 Peterbilts. That's it.
All right.
Enjoy. Supposed to say like, share, subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe,
and leave.
Hit that like button, right?
Yeah. And leave comments.
And leave comments.
Yeah. Like do more truck stop walks. And it's like a, what do you want to see?
Oh.
All right, we're out.